So guys, in this video we will see how to connect Steam to PS5. So guys, linking your PlayStation account to Steam. So first of all, open the specified PlayStation Studio game on the Steam that support the account linking. Then guys, look for a game prompts or the menu option for account linking or connect PSN. Click on the links to open the PlayStation Network sign in the page in your browser. Then enter your PSN account credentials and authorize the connection. Confirm the link within the game to complete the process and check for any isolated in-game bonus or progressive unlocks. Okay. After that, connecting your DualSense controller to PC. Utilize your PS5 DualSense controller to the PlayStation game on your PC for the authenticity PlayStation feel and ensure your DualSense controller is charged. On your PC, open Bluetooth and device setting. Hold the create button and PS button on the DualSense until the light bar flashes blue. Select add device or add Bluetooth or other devices on your PC and choose Bluetooth and select wireless controller from the list. Once connected, open the Steam client on your PC. Navigate to the Steam setting then controller and ensure PlayStation configuration support is enabled. Calibrate or customize your controller setting within the Steam big picture mode for the specified game. Then tip for the seamless integration, always check the individual game setting for the specified linking options. Keep your DualSense controller firmware up to date via PS5 or the PC apps. Create a custom controller profile in the Steam for optimized gameplay and ensure your PC Bluetooth driver are up to date for the reliable connection. So these are the things that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.